Hey everyone, I'm Simon Kareem. Welcome to the Mark at Cityscape in Boca Raton, Florida. This is more than an apartment building, it is a lifestyle in the heart of downtown at 9 Plaza Real South. Just steps from Mizner Park, the beach, and top, dining and shopping. On the rooftop, you'll find a sky view, pool, jacuzzi spa, private cabanas, and a bar and kitchen for entertaining. There's also a 24-hour fitness center overlooking the pool. Inside the apartments, feature quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, wood style floors, 9-foot ceilings, and balconies that bring in Florida sunshine, oversized tubs, frameless showers in unit washers and dryers, and plenty of storage make life easy. On the ground floor, enjoy a clubhouse, co-work, lounges, media room, 24-hour package lockers, plus dining and retail downstairs. The building is pet friendly with secure garage, parking step outside, and you're in Boca's cultural hub. Mizner Park next door has upscale shops, fine dining and concerts. South Beach Park is minutes away. Perfect for sunrise walks, surfing, or relaxing. Food lovers will enjoy Max's Grille, Kapow, Noodle Bar, and American Social for Nature. Escapes visit Red Reef Park or Gumbo Limbo. Nature Center Town Center and Royal Palm Place are also nearby for shopping. Studios start around 2,400 one bedrooms, around 2,600 and two bedrooms, around 3,800, offering strong value for downtown Boca. So if you are looking for apartments in downtown Boca Raton, the Mark at Cityscape belongs at the top of your list with prime location, modern design, and resort style amenities. This is downtown living at its best. I'm Simon Kareem. Call me at 5617-040091 or visit simoncancel.com.